Welcome to a how-to review of the ANISUN bolt-on bucket grab hooks plate installing on a John Deere 1025R with a 53-inch bucket. This product is made in China, so let's have a look at the weld quality. The welds generally look fairly good. A few places there is a bit of undercut, some filler where joints weren't exact, and a few spots with a bit of weld splatter. The plate and receiver material itself measured about 3/16 inch or a bit under 5 millimeter. That is heavier than the standard bucket and should be strong enough for these smaller tractors. The holes all appear to be cleanly drilled and the finish has complete coverage. To install, center the plate on the bucket, clamp it fast, and use a 1/2 inch bit to mark the bolt hole locations. Remove the clamps and plate, then come back and drill pilot holes in the marks. Come around again and finish drilling the bolt holes. Clean any burrs from the holes, then reposition the plate and insert the bolts. The bolts have 6 hashes for grade 8 and an HR for high resistance ratings. The nuts have plastic inserts to prevent loosening. Tighten the bolts, washers, lock washers, and nuts, and your bucket grab hooks and rings are bolted on and ready to use. Let's go change something and see how it holds up. The 1025R is throttled up, low range, 4-wheel drive, and pulling all it can, although it was a muddy day and we couldn't get full grip. Still, the plate and stump don't appear to be a bit bothered. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, click the thumbs up and subscribe to see what else we may get up to. Here are a couple other videos.